Okay, so I am in my daughter's room with one of my, I mean, it has to be one of my top 5 Amazon finds for Christmas. If you have a teen who loves collecting shoes and you don't have a ton of space, this 5 shelf acrylic shoe rack was one of the best things I've ever purchased. He said it is. There are 5 shelves. There are no dividers in between, so the size of the shoe doesn't matter. The length of the shoe doesn't matter. You can probably fit 4 different pair on every single shelf. Like I said, no dividers on each shelf. They are high enough to fit a high top or a high heel. Rotates so smoothly. And my favorite part was, especially the night before Christmas, I didn't assemble it until Christmas Eve. It took me maybe 20, 25 minutes to put it together. Only con is that we actually have to dust it, which we struggle with. But outside of that, I can't say enough good things about this for anyone who has a ton of shoes, wants to display them, or wants a storage solution that's both adorable and doesn't take up a lot of horizontal space, just vertical space. Brilliant solution. No regrets, no notes.